In the box, 6-outlet surge protector power strip with 1 transformer outlet and 790 Joule energy rating. Surge protection. 3-line surge protection rating to protect small appliances, phones and lamps. LED indicator. Red protected LED indicator light to signify active protection. Safety feature. 15 amp circuit breaker. Specifications. AC 15A, 125 volts, 60 Hz, 1875W. Cord length. 6 foot 14 Aruban Florence power cord. Amazon Basics 6-outlet surge protector power strip, 790 Joule. When voltage fluctuates, swells, or spikes, it can damage sensitive electronics. The Amazon Basics surge protector power strip creates an important layer of defense and protects electronic devices. With a 14-gauge system and 790 Joule surge suppression rating, the unit optimally transfers power and helps keep plugged-in devices safe, especially during storms and power outages. Multiple outlets. Turn one outlet into 6 with the surge protector power strip. Simply plug the power strip into a 3-pronged, properly grounded AC outlet, press the rocker switch to on, and it's ready to go. One of the 6 surge-protected outlets is a transformer outlet designed to accommodate larger power adapters. The unit's handy built-in power switch makes it easy to turn off several electronics at once, or to temporarily cut power for a complete, thorough shutdown. Since most electronics continue to use power when in standby mode, the surge protector power strip can be used to completely shut off electronics when not in use, helping to conserve energy. Ideal for home or office, the 6-outlet surge protector power strip offers convenience and protection for everyday electronics. Indicator lights. A red protected LED indicator illuminates when the surge protector power strip is turned on, showing that it's protecting plugged-in devices. If the light goes out, it means the surge protector power strip has served its purpose and should be replaced. A second light in the on/off switch illuminates to show the surge protector power strip is turned on. Top reviews from the United States. Good for camera setup. I podcast weekly with a camera and a set of lights. I also work remote. I used this power strip to hook up my lights camera, so I could easily switch them on and off when using them. Good product.